You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and now we're bringing you this cryptocurrency video. I will be looking at SAN, Shiba, BTC, USDT charts, and something great is happening right now on Shiba, guys. If you take a trade before, congratulations, you're already in massive profits. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification. Also leave a like for this video. If you look at here, very nice price charts. If you look at this very area, I talk about this area, don't take a trade. Reason being that when market move to the upside, approaching resistance level, you don't need to take a trade. Reason why, market have capacity of going back down with a retracement after the impulse. Although we see this is retracement, this is supposed to create a new high, but around this area we see the market could not create a new high. I talk about that in my previous video. That also means the bulls are not strong enough to push the market right up, and this also a sign that market is going to come back down. I talk about this in my previous video, and now I'm expecting the market to come back to this area, and if market come back to this area, it could give a nice move back up again, so market will potentially form a range. But if you see a breakout right now on this point, this level, then that means market is going to shoot back up again with a bullish close. So after this, and you see a breakout on this level, then that means market is going to go back up very fast around this area. If you see the market break this support line in this support region, then also mean that market is going to go back down. But I don't see the possibility of market just breaking this support right now, but I am very optimistic market can come back down, go back up, and break this resistance level at this point right now. So on SAN USDT, there should be a breakout on this resistance for this very pair to move fast way up again. Something very fascinating on Shiba right now, Shiba USDT. I have been doing massive analysis on this pair over time. Now I was very optimistic that this market is going to move very fast to the upside. So around this area, we're taking trade from here. If you take a trade here, there's a time we take a trade here as well. I also buy some more Shiba around this area. Right now we see this massive pump here, right guys. You see market just moved sharply upside. This is an indication that the bulls are at the corner ready to move the market right way to the upside. So what I am expecting right now on Shiba is a retracement from this area. The market will move back to the upside again, or we could see a little consolidation within this area and market will move back up again. So from the 1-day chart using the MACD, if you look at the MACD here, guys, you look at this very area, you see the market is reducing in momentum right here on the histogram. The histogram is reducing in momentum. That means the sellers are getting out of the market for the bulls to come in right now. If you look at it very well, once you see the histogram start formation on the positive side of the MACD around this area, then that is also a good significance that market is going to ride far way back. But I have already identified this move beforehand around this area as the market goes back a little bit down, and I have been talking about this very analysis on this channel. And Shiba, guys, is going to do well in the next coming days. I'm very optimistic about that. I'm not a financial advice in any form, but from my own opinion, this is going to go far way up. Okay, and if you've taken a trade within this area or within this other region here or within here, you should be in profit right now. And if you've not taken a trade yet, I would advise you wait for a little retracement or consolidation, and then a breakout of this resistance level right here. It will be a good time to also take a buy position. And right now, guys, Shiba is going to do well from what the MACD is saying right now. We see the market retrace all the way down, and this is from this move here up to this area. This market retrace about 80-85% of this initial move right now. This is a very huge retracement, and if you consider it from this area, this is about 55 to 60% retracement after this very move, and this retracement to the downside. So that is what I want to see on Shiba in the next coming days. I look at BTC USDT almost every day, reason being that Bitcoin drive the cryptocurrency market more than any other thing. Right now, if you look at it, we are still moving around this very resistance level. We have support here, so I'll talk about this resistance. Also, if you look at this chart very well, you see a channel. You see a channel from this area. See markets go down with this channel right here. And then if you look at it as well from this perspective, you draw a channel right down. You see market is doing this. So this is a descending channel. We have to ensure market break out of this and break out of this resistance level. Once we see this, then Bitcoin is going to ride far up. Right now, market is retracing to the downside. After the retracement right here, I am expecting the market to go back up. And possible point where this market will hold on this retracement is possibly this very point of support, because we have support at this point, we have support at this point. Possibly as the market is going back down now, this could be another potential support as well. Market could potentially drop down to this very level as well. That is a possibility, but I want to see the market break out on this resistance level to the upside. Once I see a breakout on this resistance level, then that means market is going to go far way up and Bitcoin is going to rise. If you have not subscribed or you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to give a like for this video. If you've not registered on Binance and KuCoin, please check the link in the description of this video and do your registration right away and start trading. Now, there's a link down below this video that you can join our crypto Telegram community. Thank you very much guys for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.